human journey with you?
Actually po, yung pagpa-perform sa Araneta again right now is very kakaiba yung feeling, no? Knowing na we're celebrating yung 7th year. Kasi nga, yung Araneta naging parang bahay na namin siya. From the past years, we've been performing here sa Araneta almost like how many times in a year. So, nakakatuwa lang na sakto rin po sa concept namin ng Simula at Wakas. We're celebrating 7th year and we're still going back kung saan kami nagsimula. So, just like here sa Araneta, dito kami nagsimula.
Yeah, it's a very iconic place for SB19. I mean,
it's one of the first biggest stages na tungtungan namin. So, we're very thankful that Araneta is always welcoming us. So, maraming salamat, Araneta.
Siguro it's because we try to control, of course, each other. I mean, in terms of emotions, na we try to keep every achievement and everything.
yeah, they stay humble all the time. It doesn't matter how many things they have achieved, how many hours they have got, but they always stay humble. You know.
Years as it's okay. We have to move on. We have to make new music, and we have to, of course, take care of the people around us. And sometimes it gets you to the point na parang pag super nakaka-excite kasi, tas na-disappoint ka, minsan wala siya ng motivation. So for us, we just keep on going. We know that we have each other, we have our team, we have the fans, and siguro yun yung isa sa mga main reasons but kinikip namin yung feet namin on the ground. And of course, we always try to look
what I say, feet on the ground. Yeah.
back. Saan nga ba kami talaga nanggaling?
Of course, for 18, actually, lagi na nga namin sinasabi na we're very thankful, we're very happy na kasama namin kayo sa lifetime na to. Pero, ang totoo talaga niyan ay mas masaya kami na nakita namin kayo at nakilala namin ang isa't isa. Dahil, pag binalikan naman natin to mula noon, ang punot dahilan talaga nito ay kayo talaga. Noong mga panahon na akala namin doon na magtatapos lahat, dumating kayo para simulan ulit at bigyan ulit ng apoy yung pangarap namin. At nandito kami ngayon dahil dun sa inyo, dahil sa mga binibigay ninyong inspirasyon din sa amin. Kung para sa inyo kami inspirasyon, para sa inyo nagkakamali kayo.
Yeah, some strong words from Stel. Exactly. I mean, why they do this kind of concerts? Because of all the 18, and yeah, of course, if SB19 is inspiring, all the 18 and 18 are inspiring them as well. I mean, vice versa. You know what I'm saying?
Ito ang inspirasyon namin dahil hindi naman namin gagawin ng mga to kung hindi rin dahil sa support at pagmamahal nyo. So, I think masayang-masaya kami na hanggang ngayon ay kumpleto tayo at patuloy na dumadami. Sana marami pa tayong ma-achieve together and sana ready pa rin kayo kahit gaano man katagal tayo abutin at kung ano pa may mga mangyari sa atin, sana nandiyan pa rin kayo. Ayun, thank you so much and always remember that SB19 loves you.
Happy 7 years! Happy 7 years!
Philip didn't talk, right? Philip didn't say anything.
Yeah.
Happy 7.